Hey guys, it's Joseph here for Echo Force using today's htaccess tutorial. I'm going to show you how to use your htaccess file to remove file names from URLs. For example, let's say you have yourwebsite.com/about.php, so you can get it so it would just be the without the .php. First of all, obviously you need a htaccess file, and there are a couple of things you need in already. You need rewrite engine on, and then rewrite base. For this example, we're going to go straight from the root, so we want it like that. There are two ways of doing it here. One, this is the more complicated way, which will rewrite all of that file, all of those sort of files to get rid of the .php or whatever extension you want to get rid of. Or you can do it with individual ones here. So we're getting this for this one. We're getting rid of it from a .php, and this one we're getting rid of the PNG from an image. So first of all, this code goes rewrite rule, and then we're asking it to get rewrite the test. The file we're asking it to rewrite is that one there. So as you can see, for example, just an example, if I open up our domain here, whoops, as you see, if I go into this test file and get rid of the .php, it will work. But if I now did this with the file you get straight away when you use it, obviously I'm using a 0.0webhost.com server, not my local host, because my local host for some reason doesn't like rewriting URLs. I've never actually got around to fixing it. But let's say if I try to do this with another file that isn't that one set up, obviously it won't work. But that's the reason for the other code that I have here. This one, the rewrite one with the chords, it's basically telling it that I have all things that have a .php extension at the end. We want to rewrite that, get rid of, and make it usable without that. So basically this, what this basically does, I'm not a great expert htaccess, just look the stuff up. This basically goes to the URL, sees that it has this extension at the end, and then makes it, rewrites it so that you can view it without that said extension. So now that I've done this one out, I can now we can now look at that default.php with or without the no, sorry, no. I haven't saved it. Whoops! That's the thing I always forget to do for some reason on there, is save the file. So obviously once you've saved it, you can go back there and why is that not working? Oops, I forgot to get rid of one of the hashes, which obviously you put two hashes at the beginning of any line, and that will turn it into like a comment, so the server doesn't read it, it just sees it as something that's there for the admin or whatever. So if we now go back, hopefully, as you can see, now we've visited without that. The reason to do this, I would suppose, makes life a little bit easier for you, for the user. Let's say you had, as I said earlier, whatever your address is in about.php or something longer. It's easier for the user to remember just the about or contact us or something like that with a hyphen in the middle, instead of these complicated file extensions. Also, you can do it with other file extensions, anything the browser and the server supports. So images, other types of HTML files, so .htmls, things like that. CSS I'm not sure about. So, and most things should work. As you can see here, we have one set up for an image, and as you can see, if I go get rid of the .php, it loads up the image again without the file extension. Other things you can do, I believe this should work. If, for example, you want to make it look like a folder, with this code here, just after this, that tells it this will allow any character to be the PHP to remove from, but that's a little more complicated. So you just put a slash there, save it again, and it should, in theory, make us be able to do it like that, which makes it look a little more like a folder. So guys, if YouTube allows me, I'll put the code in the description and a link to a couple of useful websites related to rewriting URLs and getting rid of file extensions. Remember to check out the previous video and obviously the playlist, which will have all these videos in. Remember to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and web hosting tutorials. Check out Facebook and Twitter for updates, and I'll see you around in the next video.